Super quick tutorial of Wizz app make new friends. So this is like a random chatting app where you can find new friends from all around the world. So you can just swipe, similar as on Tinder, swipe right or left. Then you can send a chat to someone, just send some message. So you don't need to match to send a message as on Tinder, but probably people are receiving like hundreds of messages. If you want to appear on top of these messages, you need to buy super chat, but that requires gold subscription, or you need coins. So gold subscription is this, $6.99 per week or $19.99 monthly. There is no free trial. So you have all these benefits. You can have unlimited rewinds. You can add more photos. You can get some boost every week, 5 free super chats every week, 1 bulk chat every week, hide ads. So you can do that. So then you can just swipe like that. You can block or report someone. Also, if you're interested in specific communities, you can search through people in these communities. You can also just join communities here. To do that, you just I don't know, like you select specific community, select this gamer community, and then to join that, just tap join and then add this sticker to one of your photos. Yeah, so that's basically it. So to add friends, what it means here is just you message someone and then someone messages you back. That's how you become friends. Then you can kind of create like a group chat. So select your friends and create a group chat. Then yeah, in case you want to remove a chat, just swipe left and then remove chats. Then you can see remove chats. You can delete it completely, or you can then restore it. Then you can see your profile. So yeah, something like it. This is like, it's interesting how it works. You just have your profile, and then basically you can add different prompts. You can add music, you can add text, you can add specific community. So your photo is not just your photo, is just has a lot of this like information about you. It's possible to get verified on this app. Just tap on verified and submit your selfie. Then yeah, you have Wizz Gold, and then basically there are V coins which you can get here just by logging into the app every day, or you can just buy a pack or watch ads or whatever you like. So yes, that's basically an idea of the app, that you just chatting with random people in your area. You can set up all the filters here. If you want, you can chat with mostly verified people. Here's a username. You decide if you want to show your state or visible and find new friends. You can also just delete your account in the bottom, just tap delete an account, or you can log out. It's also possible to delete your data here. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Change your name, easily change your name here. It's not possible to change your username, not possible to change your birth date when you enter that. I'm not sure how to change default profile picture. Maybe you should just drag it. So super simple app, very easy to use, kind of doesn't need a lot of explanation. You just chatting with people and then you just hang out, and it's super easy design. So hope that is helpful. If it was helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next videos.